Oh, my throat hurts a lot. Let me have one cough candy. Oh, it's fixed, but it might be hurt. It might hurt next time when I go. So let's have one of the cough candies. Oh, Daddy, um, can you put this on for me? No, I don't want to put that on. Okay, here you go. Yeah, sour, 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 sour. Rusty, what are you doing? But I didn't do anything. You put sour powder. You put sour powder on my hard candy. I mean, cough candy. Huh? It's sour. You know I don't like sour things, right? Yeah, but you like sour things. I do, but I don't like too sour things. I'm grumpy. I guess I have to go to work with Grumpy. Don't don't do that for next time, okay? Okay. Okay, let me go to work. Hey, that's bad, Rusty. Don't put sour powder on the Daddy's cough candy. They're important. We have to drink it when Daddy's like they the it hurts. The throat hurts. So that is important to eat one. Sorry. You don't have to say it anymore. Sorry. You don't have to say it. I'm sorry. You don't have to say it. If you say sorry again, then I'll get upset and I won't buy you cake tonight. Sorry. Okay, let's not buy cake. Rusty, you're not gonna get cake. Mommy and Russell and Lucy can get cake. So I'll go. Bye bye, Rusty. You put powder.